how to replace the Spa Electrics GKX Retro Series pool light. So if you have a faulty pool light, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove it and replace the faulty light. So here, use a screwdriver and unscrew the screws on the light. Here you can see I have unscrewed and remove the screw. After that, we can now take out the light and bring the light over the water line. So make sure it is above the water line. Now this is my replacement light. It has around 5 screws that we're going to put on. Alright, so here I'm going to remove the screws from the old light. And then we're going to take out the cover. Now underneath the cover are gel or the sealer that helps prevent the water from coming in. So underneath the gel there are more screws that you need to remove. So just get the gel out of the way and then remove the small screws so that you can remove the cable or the wire. And here we're going to take out the wire. Now the gel is really sticky, but that's okay. You can clean your hand afterward. So we're just gonna I'm just gonna remove the old gel. When you purchase a new pool light, it also includes a bottle of the new grease gel. Okay, now we're going to insert the wire into the rubber seal. So here there is a small hole on the side. So insert the wire. And then we will place the rubber seal at the back of the light. So there it is. Sit nice and tightly into that spot. Here we will generously apply the grease over the screws and the surrounding. Next we're going to put the cover back on. This will help prevent the water from entering into the wire, from entering into that space right there. So make sure the screws are nice and tight, otherwise water can seep into that place and cause your light to go damage. Okay, now we put the light back into the pool and we will tighten the light with a screws. Now turn on the light switch and test out your light and make sure it works correctly.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.